In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase using ChatGPT. Paraphrasing is all about expressing the same ideas in fresh, original wording while keeping the meaning intact. It's useful for clarifying dense passages, adjusting tone for a specific audience, or avoiding repetitive phrasing. Before we begin, make sure you have the right to use the text you're working with, and keep any original citations or references handy so you can credit sources appropriately. First, add the source you want to paraphrase. The simplest way is to copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT. If your interface supports file uploads, you can attach a document like a PDF. Otherwise, just paste the relevant section. It helps to work in manageable chunks, especially if the text is long, so the output stays focused and accurate. Include only the part you want rewritten, and consider noting the audience or purpose, like academic, professional, or general readers. Next, tell ChatGPT to paraphrase the text and be specific about how you want it done. Clear instructions lead to better results. You could say something like, paraphrase the following text in a more professional tone while preserving the original meaning and key terms, or rewrite this in simpler, plain language for a general audience, keeping the technical definitions accurate. If you have length preferences, mention them, such as keeping it roughly the same length or making it more concise. You can also set style guidelines, like maintaining bullet-free paragraphs or using neutral, objective language. If certain terms or names must remain unchanged, call that out in your prompt. Then, wait for the response. When it appears, read it carefully to ensure the meaning matches the original and that nothing important was added or removed. Check that the tone, length, and clarity fit your needs. It's normal to fine-tune your prompt if you want subtle adjustments, things like slightly more formal wording, plainer vocabulary, or a smoother flow. If any sentences feel too close to the source, ask for a fresher rewording while keeping the same point. And remember, paraphrasing isn't a substitute for understanding. If a section still feels unclear, ask ChatGPT to clarify it before paraphrasing. That's it. Add your source, tell ChatGPT exactly how to paraphrase it, and review the response. With clear instructions and a quick read-through, you'll get polished, reliable rewording that serves your goal while staying true to the original content.